Judy Allen here, also known as Nana with Zoe and Nana Stamping. And we have the new June paper pumpkin kit. And we're going to open the box right now so all of us can see what's in it, right? You haven't peeked, have you? Okay, I haven't peeked either. So let's go to the hands and let's see what's in this month's box. Oops, I know there's a bag in there. There's supposed to be a canvas bag in there. All right, so let's go down here and see. So you can open the box, or am I opening the box? Got icing on your hands? Okay, let's see what's in here. But yeah, get that. Ooh, look at wait, I want to see the stamp set. Wait. These are really nice because it says, hello, it says you're the pick of the crop. Yes, got strawberries. Love you a whole bunch. You are the sweetest. Oh, yeah. And yes, we got a color. Oh, Calypso Coral is the color this month. Oh, yeah. Let's look at the little bag. That is so cute. All right. Well, you get it. You can get it or I'm going to get it. I'll get it because if you get it, you'll keep it and I only never see it again. You think? You think? Get some scissors here. That is way too cute. It's a good thing you can get extra ones. You can sit there and you can sit there and buy some extra ones. They have them. Now, let's see what else is in here. Oh my gosh. Alright, I'll let you touch the bag. I know. Gosh, I'll never see that bag again. Alright, let's see here. Let's see here. That is way too cute, right? Right? Way too cute. Let's see what kind of mess I can create here. Alright, we definitely got dimensionals. We definitely have some ribbon. And, oh my gosh, here's too funny. And look here, here's our punch out. Strawberries, blueberries, and cheese. Cheese, you like fruit. But look at here, look at here, look at the envelope. I know, you like that kind of stuff. Oh, look at the inside. Oh, that's nice. Oh, looky here. Oh my gosh, your favorite fruits. Oh my gosh. Let's see, so we have one. There's one design. Oh, that's very nice too, right? Oh my gosh. Ooh, I like that. Yes, I know, right? 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 Oh my gosh, let's see. So there's 3 designs in here. Look at that one. What do you think of that one? Oh, looky here. Oh, we have vellum. Oh, we get to use vellum in here. Oh, yeah. All right. I know. What is this? What is this? Oh my gosh. Oh, I like this. Looky there. Oh my gosh. That's very pretty. Very pretty, pretty, pretty. Okay, so we got those 2 there, and we got our glue dots. So let's see with our instructions here. Yes. So actually, oh, they even, look what they did with the bag here as an example. Let's see. So they have us making 1, 2, 3 designs, 3 of each, and stamping on the bag. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, that looks way too cool. I'm excited. I am looking forward to when we do this on Sunday, the 26th. On Sunday, the 26th.
Oh, I'm a Chinese cookie.
You look like a, what is that, a fortune cookie, right? Looks like a fortune cookie.
Yay!
Alright, well, you can see it doesn't take much to entertain us in this house when we get together. So, we hope you enjoyed opening the box and look forward to joining us on Sunday, June 26th at 4 p.m. where we will make one of each of these cards. And who's going to stamp this? You're going to stamp it? Alright, so she's going to stamp that. We'll do that all on the...
It looks like a fish.
That's right. It's all on the 26th. So, if you have a paper pumpkin kit, come in and join and create with us. If you don't have a kit, that's alright. Come and watch. And say hi, because we'll be giving away 3 door prizes, right? We always give away 3 door prizes. So if you said hi, followed us, did an emoji of any kind, any way that we can acknowledge you've been on Zoe and Nana Stamping, we sit there and put you in the drawing. All right, look forward to seeing you on the 26th, where we sit there and create this kit. All right, that's right. Bye.